This video is for educational purposes only. This is not financial advice. Always do your own research and consider consulting a financial professional before making investment decisions. Are you tired of earning next to nothing in your savings account while inflation eats away at your purchasing power? What if there were safer investment vehicles that could potentially beat the interest on your bank savings while still giving you liquidity and peace of mind? Today, we're breaking down 5 ETFs you might consider in 2026 as alternatives to holding cash in a savings account. Low-cost, liquid, income-producing options that many investors use to generate more yield while maintaining relative safety. Before we dive in, smash that like button and subscribe if you want more investing content like this with simple explanations and real ideas for your money. If you want something extremely low risk that behaves almost like cash, short-term Treasury ETFs fit the bill. These funds invest in ultra-short U.S. government bonds, usually maturing in under a year, and you get liquidity plus a yield that often beats traditional savings accounts. These ETFs aim to have minimal price volatility because the maturities are so short. Returns won't skyrocket, but historically they stay close to the highest money market rates available. Next up is a slightly more income-oriented option, ultra-short bond ETFs like JPST. These funds hold a diversified mix of short-duration corporate and government debt to squeeze out a little more yield than pure Treasury bills, but still aim to keep risk relatively low. Because they invest in higher-quality short-term bonds, JPST and its peers tend to provide a yield edge over ultra-short Treasury ETFs, while still being very liquid and suitable for cash reserves. Bond prices and interest rates tend to move in opposite directions unless the bonds have floating rates. That's where floating rate bond ETFs come in. An ETF like Float invests in short, investment-grade floating rate debt, meaning the interest it earns adjusts as rates move. In a rising interest rate environment, this can help you capture higher yields without significant price drops. It's a nice blend of income and safety for more conservative investors. Treasury bills are widely considered one of the safest places to park money. They're backed by the full faith and credit of the U.S. government, have ultra-short maturities and minimal price fluctuation. ETFs like BIL hold T-bills with maturities from about 1 to 3 months and distribute the income periodically. That makes them nearly as safe as cash, but typically with higher yields than a bank savings account, especially in the current rate environment. For people who like consistent income, ETFs like Week deliver yields from short-term Treasury bills on a weekly basis, effectively turning Treasury bill yield into steady cash payouts. It invests in bills that mature in just a few months and rolls them before they expire, which means you get regular distributions similar to interest, but with arguably lower risk than dividend-oriented equity ETFs. So there you have it, 5 ETFs that many investors consider as cash alternatives in 2026. From ultra-short treasuries and ultra-short bonds to floating rate bonds and weekly payout funds. Each comes with differing levels of risk and return, and none are perfectly safe like an FDIC insurable bank account, but most offer better yields than what most savings accounts pay right now. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which ETF you're interested in learning more about. Investing doesn't have to be confusing, and we're here to make it simple. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.